Wouldn't it be nice if we could wake up in the morning when the day is new, and after having spent the day together, hold each other close the whole night through. Happy times together we've been spending. I wish that every kiss was never ending. Wouldn't it be nice? Maybe if we're thinking, wishing, hope and pray it might come true. Baby, there wouldn't be a single thing we couldn't do. If we could be married, and then we'll be happy. Wouldn't it be nice? Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today we're making Wouldn't It Be Nice by the Beach Boys. I'll show you how to play it in the original key. If it's hard for you to sing it like this, you can go to ukulelecheats.com to transpose it. But anyway, first I'll show you the chords, after that we'll look at the parts and the string patterns that I'm doing, and after that we'll do the play along. And stick to the end of the video to learn the song in no time, okay? Let's start with the chords first. The first chord we need is the chord of A. After that, we need the chord of B minor 7, which is just barring on the 2nd fret. Then we need the chord of F. After that, the chord of A sharp. Then we have the chord of G minor 7, which is the same as A sharp, you just remove the ring finger. And after that we need the chord of C7. Alright, and then for the hook we also need the chord of D minor 7, which we'll grab like this, barring on the 5th fret, the whole 5th fret. Then we have the chord of C minor 7, which is just sliding this whole shape 2 frets down on the 3rd fret barring. Alright, after that we need the chord of A minor 7, which is just all the strings open. Alright, and for the bridge we also need the chord of D major 7, the chord of G major 7, and finally the chord of F sharp minor. Alright, so the song starts with the intro, for which I'm just plucking individual strings G, C, E, A, okay? Then to B minor 7, then to A, and then to F, and we start the verse. For the verse, the string pattern I'm doing is down, down, up, down, up, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. From G minor 7 to C7, I'm doing down, down on G minor 7 and up, down, up on C7. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're repeating this twice. And then we go to the hook, and I'm doing 2 down strums on each chord here, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wouldn't it be nice? And after the first hook we have another verse and another hook, which are kind of the same, just the second hook have 2 bars of F at the end, which is the transition to the bridge. And on the bridge, the string pattern I'm doing is just 2 down strums on each chord again. We start with D major 7, to G major 7, to F sharp minor, to B minor 7. We repeat the same thing again. And then the next part, F sharp minor, to B minor 7, to F sharp minor, to C. Wouldn't it be nice? And we have a few Fs. And after that, we go to the slow down hook. You know, it seems the more we talked about it, the more it makes it worse to live without it. And here we have one more A minor to G minor to C7, but wouldn't it be nice? And we go to the outro, which is just repeating Fs a lot of times. Good night, my baby. Sleep tight, my baby. So that's everything you need to know to do the song. Now let's go to the play along. Alright, thank you for watching this video to the very end. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.